Hello and welcome class 5 students. This is your another important maths class where I will solve some important maths from the first chapter, exercise 3. Uh, Today's class is based on the terminology associated with multiplication and division. So today we will learn different rules of multiplication and division. So let's get started. Our first sum is, suppose we all know a formula that if you are asked to find out the dividend, then you have to multiply the divisor with the quotient. Divisor and quotient will be given in the sum, and with this you have to add the remainder if given in the sum. So in order to find out dividend, first we need to multiply divisor and quotient given in the sum, and with that divisor and quotient being multiplied, we have to add the remainder if there is any remainder in the sum. So let's get started with one sum where it is given that divisor and quotient is given and you have to find out the dividend. Suppose divisor is given 215. Here in this sum, no remainder is there. No remainder. That means in absence of remainder, dividend you have to find out by multiplying simply divisor and quotient. Here remainder is absent. Divisor is given, suppose 215. Divisor is given 215. And quotient is given 125. 125. And you are asked to find out the dividend in absence of remainder. In that case, you will simply multiply the divisor and the quotient to find out the dividend. So 215 into 125, you will multiply and show what is the answer coming. Here the answer is coming 26875. 26875 is coming as the remainder. So, sorry, it is coming as a dividend, the answer. So, the answer of the sum will be, the dividend is 26875. Dividend is 26875. This is the dividend. So, in this way, we are going to solve the sums. In the next sum, it is given that, always remember that we have to apply this formula, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Suppose we are given another sum where we are asked to find out the dividend. Divisor, quotient and remainder is given. Divisor is given, quotient is also given, and remainder is also given. Previous sums we have done where there was no remainder, in absence of remainder. But in this sum, remainder is there. So formula will be dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here, suppose a sum is given to you where you are asked to find out the dividend, where divisor is given as 105. Divisor is given as 105. Quotient is given as 757. 757. Quotient is given and remainder is given. You have to add that remainder. That remainder is given 58. So simply you will multiply 105 with 757 and then you will add 58. So 105 into 757 gives you 79458. 79458. With this 79458 plus 58 remainder you have to add 485. plus 58 remainder you have to add. So answer will be 79543. 79543 will be the answer. That is, this is the required dividend in the sum. You have to multiply the divisor and the quotient, and you have to add the remainder with the multiplication to get the ultimate dividend. That is the answer of the sum. Very quickly, let's move on to the third sum, where dividend and quotient is given to you, remainder is given to you, and you are asked to find out the divisor. So we all know that dividend here is given. Dividend is given as 87963. 87963. Quotient is given. Quotient is also given 347. 347. And remainder is also given as 172. 172. You are asked to find out the divisor. You are asked to find out the divisor. Now, how you will find out the divisor? We all know that dividend is equal to divisor. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here divisor is missing. So first remainder is to be brought to the left hand side, and the sign of remainder will change. It will become minus. So dividend minus remainder is equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor we have to find out, so we will keep divisor in the right hand side and quotient we will bring in the left hand side. It is multiplied with the right hand side, so in the left hand side it will be divided. So dividend minus remainder by quotient is the formula to find out the divisor. This is the formula which you have to apply to find out the divisor. So how will you place the figures? Dividend you have to place 87963 minus the remainder, that is 172, by the quotient which is given 347. 347. That is equal to the divisor. Now you have to do the calculation to find out the divisor. We will do the calculation. I am rubbing the upper part of the board in order to show you the remaining part of the calculation. First you have to do the minus and then you have to do the division. First 87963 minus 172 gives you 87791. 87791 divided by 347 gives you the divisor. Divisor. You do this division or you can do cancellation. You can do cancellation also. Whatever you will do, you will find the divisor as 253 as the divisor. You have to do this division and show this division. If you do it in the rough work, do just in front so that the division is visible. 87791 divided by 347. 347 into 2 gives you 694. Then 347 into 5 1753. 3981. 1735. 1735. And finally you are getting 4013. 347 into 3, 1, 10. 1041. In this way, I am showing you the division because I am doing the sum for the first time. But from the next time onwards, you will do the division to find out the answer. So divider, by doing the division, we are finding out the divisor in the sum. In this way, we will carry on the sums. So I hope whatever I have explained today in this maths class, you have understood very well. In the next maths class, I will come up with some more examples, some more critical examples in order to help you. So keep on practicing the sums and follow the videos carefully. Till then, goodbye.